How to put video inside text and change background in Davinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag a text into the timeline. With your text selected, go to the inspector and change the text and its properties. Now click on Settings tab and change Composite mode to Alpha. Now drag your video on the top track and adjust its duration. With your video selected, go to Inspector and change Composite mode to Foreground. And now the video is inside text. Now let's change the background color to another color. Move the text and video one track above. In the Effects panel, click on Generators and drag a solid color to the bottom track. With your solid color selected, go to the inspector and change the color to your desired color. Instead of using a solid color, we can use a gradient as well. Just remove the solid color and drag a 4-color gradient to the bottom track. And change its color to your liking. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.